There is an animal that technically never dies. It gets old, it gets sick, it gets eaten by predators, but it never actually dies of old age, because this creature has a cheat code written into its DNA, and scientists are desperately trying to figure out how it works. Meet the immortal jellyfish. Its scientific name is Turritopsis dohrnii, and it is the only known animal on Earth that can reverse its own life cycle. Imagine a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar, then growing into a butterfly again, over and over forever. That is what this jellyfish does. Here is how it works. Most jellyfish start as a larva attached to the seafloor, grow into a polyp, and then bud off into a free-swimming adult. That is the end of the road. They reproduce and die, but when the immortal jellyfish gets injured, stressed, or just starts feeling old, it hits the reset button. It sinks to the ocean floor, absorbs its own tentacles, and transforms back into a blob of tissue. That blob then grows back into a polyp, and the polyp produces new genetically identical jellyfish. It didn't die, it just went back to kindergarten. Scientists have watched this happen in labs. They have seen individual jellyfish revert over and over again. In theory, unless something eats it or a disease gets it, this animal could live forever. It bypasses death entirely. So how does it pull this off? The secret is in its cells. Most animals, including humans, have cells that specialize. Once a cell becomes a skin cell or a brain cell, that is its job forever. The immortal jellyfish can perform something called cellular transdifferentiation. It can take a cell from one type and turn it into a completely different type. It basically rebuilds itself from scratch using its own parts. This is not just a cool party trick. This is one of the most studied organisms in modern biology. Scientists are racing to understand how the jellyfish stops and reverses aging because it could change everything. If we can figure out how to reprogram human cells the same way, we might one day regenerate damaged organs, heal spinal cord injuries, or even slow down aging itself. Imagine a future where we don't cure diseases because we just grow back the healthy tissue. But here is the catch. The immortal jellyfish is tiny, smaller than your pinky fingernail. You could swim right past thousands of them and never notice. They are almost invisible, and despite their theoretical immortality, they still die all the time. Fish eat them. Pollution kills them. The ocean is dangerous. Immortality doesn't mean invincibility. It just means time isn't the thing that gets you. So the next time you feel like you are running out of time, remember there is a microscopic jellyfish floating in the ocean that has figured out how to trick the clock entirely. It started life millions of years ago, and somewhere out there the original lineage is still going. Same genes, same animal, just rebooting over and over like a computer that never crashes. If you want to know which other animals are hiding superpowers in plain sight, drop a comment below. And if you want to keep feeding your curiosity, hit that subscribe button right now. Thanks for watching.